Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot open any websites on your browser in Oppo Find Neo 3. So as you can see here in Google Chrome, if I try to refresh and open this website or basically any other like YouTube right here, it doesn't work. Now to fix it, we'll need to open our settings, then locate additional settings, go for the date and time and enable set time automatically. If we go back to our Google Chrome and try to refresh or open a new website, now it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.